Today is Friday, June 14th, 2019, and it marked a bit of a milestone for me in my recovery that I drove myself for the first time today. My surgery was 3 weeks ago yesterday, so even though I'm not going back to the doctor till Monday, I thought I would drive myself today. I'm also eating right now. I should mention that I do follow a keto protocol and have been doing so for the past, golly, probably 2 years maybe. So I'm having my first meal of the day today. I did 3 eggs and I made an omelet with some spinach and a little tomato and cheese, and cooked it in a little bit of avocado oil, and I've got some bacon and a little avocado. Oh, and some kimchi. Love my kimchi. So I'm going to eat while I talk because I'm super hungry. I'm waiting for my PT to come for my last session of physical therapy. Woohoo! Yeah, so I actually woke up pretty early today, and I did record my exercises today because they're kind of the same as the ones I did before, but I feel like I've gotten a little bit better and a little bit stronger. I did walk for 40 minutes today and then did all those exercises, and actually you end up burning quite a bit of calories doing it, whether my Fitbit is completely accurate or not. I burned quite a bit. So yeah, I woke up early today and then went for my walk, did all my PT exercises, and then I decided to go to Walmart. I needed to drive myself somewhere. 3 weeks of not being able to drive yourself anywhere is pretty hard. So, especially because I like to think I'm a pretty independent person. I like to do stuff on my own. So, anyway, I went to Walmart for a little bit. I have been crocheting and knitting during my recovery, so I wanted to get some more supplies, and then I went to Old Time Pottery, and then I went to Bath and Body Works and bought 8 more candles. So anyway, now I just got home, and I'm having lunch, breakfast, brunch, and waiting for my PT. So like I said, yesterday was 3 weeks post-surgery. I drove myself for the first time today, and I might go back to my barre class tomorrow. I'm debating. I'm going to see how I feel after this. I had a bit of a setback on Wednesday, 2 days ago. I got really sick, but I don't think it was surgery related. Apparently I had a migraine, and I've never had anything like that before. So that was pretty intense for me. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. This is tasting so good. So the next exercises I probably film will be, I'm going to do what I did last time, and I took a lot of the PT exercises and then just made them a little bit more intense. Like I added bands to the side stepping, and I added some more weights. Yeah, so I'm going to try to figure out my workout. I'm probably going to start working on that today, but what I want to do for the next couple weeks. That was successful last recovery. I went back to my barre class last surgery 3 weeks and I think 3 days after I went back to my first barre class. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to go back tomorrow. I think I can totally do it. I miss it so much. I love my barre class. So I'm probably going to do that and then stick with the routine that I'm making up for the next couple weeks. And yeah, just progress from there. So it's been a pretty good day. It just felt so good to have my freedom back. And to have some good food. So, like I said, I'll show you my exercises that I did today. And that's my little update. And hope everybody's having a great day. And I will talk to you later.